Hello, little hands. We know the vowels. Do you know which are they? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Now here what we are going to do by using these vowels, we are going to make the long sound of vowel and see which are the words in which the long sound comes of these vowels. Okay? Here are the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and the sounds of them are A or A, E, O, So now by using these vowels, what we are going to do, we are going to make the long sounds of vowels. So it's, see this, A, P, E, app, ape, app, A for apple, and A for apple. We are not saying what we say, A, P, E, A. See, the A sound I am taking long. So, ape, angel, A-N-G-E-L, angel, apron, apron. So, the sound of A is a long sound. So, in apron, apron, A-P-R-O-N, apron, ape, angel, apron. Right? This is the A vowels long sounds. Now E. E, see this? Equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. This is the evening time. So evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening. Equal. These are the long sounds of E vowel. Now I vowels long sounds. Eyes. I-C-E. Eyes. Iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. This is the creeper. It's a ivy. It's called ivy. I-V-Y. Ivy. Now these are the words, long sounds for vowel O. Oval. See the shape, oval shape. Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Here, open. O-P-E-N. Open. This is the old person. So here it is. Old. O-L-D. Old. Here is the kitchen spot. So it's called utensil. Utensil. U-T-E-N-S-I-L. Utensil. This is unicorn. Unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. This is the school's uniform. So, uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. These are the long sounds of vowel U. So, here are all these long sounds of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, and U. O. Right? Now just we saw the long sounds of vowels. Now we have what you have to do here. Underline the words which has a vowel with long sound in each set. So here A. So which is the long sound? Ape, apple, ankle. So which is the long sound in these three? Yes, ape. So here we underline ape. Right? See, underline ape. These are the short sounds then. Now E. Elephant, egg, equal, elephant, egg, equal. So which is the long sound? Yes, E, equal. And these are the short sounds. Now I, ing, ink, iron, injection. So which is the long sound in this? Ink? No. Injection? No. Iron? Yes, this is the long sound. Now oval, oval, ostrich, orange. Which is the long sound in this? Orange, ostrich, oval. Yes. Now U, umbrella, unicorn, unload. So which one? Yes, unicorn. This is the long sound, right? Here you have to read the word and write the spelling while saying it loudly. This is ape, A-P-E, ape. Evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Ice, I-C-E, ice. Oval, O-V-A-L, oval. Uniform, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. So write these words, saying it loudly over here 3 times.